Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Bezzera BZ40 here. So this machine had quite a few repairs done to it. So this is the first one, the heating element. As you can see, there's a lot of mineral buildup and some corrosion on this, so needed to replace that, as well as the pump. So here you can see the old pump. You can see the damage there and here. So the pump was partially working, but it was not pumping enough water for the machine to fill. So after we replaced those two parts, we just found that there was an issue with the signal coming from the board to the low-level water probe. So we needed to replace that old board. Here's the old one with a new one. And in addition to that, I gave the machine a tune-up. So that includes a new screen and gasket, which you can see here's part of that old gasket, and the screen. I actually had to break it in order to remove it from the machine because it was just kind of brittle and old. And then the customer also requested some rewiring. So I rewired about half of the machine, starting from the most brittle and damaged wires. In addition to this, I descaled the boiler, which it did have a lot of mineral buildup, so that was really helpful. And then I back flushed the group head, removing any coffee residue, cleaned the steam wand from the milk residue, and then just wiped down the whole machine. And I also adjusted the pump, so you'll see that here when I put a shot, that I adjusted it down to about 9 bars of pressure. So let's just so here you can see that. Okay. And then we have our steam. And then we have our hot water. Alright. That's about it for this repair. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.